Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how we can wipe Cache Partition on this phone. So to get started, you will need a cable for this, and you want to plug it into your computer, connect it with your device, and once you have, let's now select our boot options. So pull down your notification, tap on the power key, select power off, and once you tap on the power off, you will want to hold power key and volume down after you feel the vibration, which indicates that the device is off. There we go, there was the vibration. So I'm gonna hold the keys right now. And as you can see, this takes us to recovery mode. So right now we can unplug our device. And in recovery mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate. So down, volume down goes down, and up will obviously go up. And with that in mind, you want to select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go. At the bottom you should see Cache Wipe Complete, and Reboot System Now will be selected by default. So press power key once again, and this will initiate that reboot and take you back to Android, obviously. And we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.